So today we're on the Jeanneau 54 yacht. She's the second largest in the Jeanneau yacht range. The big difference you see on this one is the linear galley version. There is an option also for a stern galley which runs on the starboard side. But the general boat is in the oak wood, very warm, very inviting, and I'll just pop through the forward cabin now and show you there. So the Jeanneau 54 owner's boat, it always comes with the owner's cabin forward. As you can see, it's very large, very wide berth, lovely headboard as option. It's got a lot of storage then to the port side, deep hanging lockers, lots of drawers under the bed, so it really is home from home in terms of your forward cabin. You know, all the walls are lined and it's really just warm and inviting. Boat on the port side, you have this lovely VIP cabin. You can see she's offset from the middle of the boat, so she's a lot wider than the standard cabin that you'd get if you split the stern in half. So it allows you to have one side of the bed as a walk round to make you feel a lot more luxurious than just climbing at the foot of the bed.